don't need to be an expert in any subject to teach on Udemy.
Hey, what's up guys, your boy Shakeable, and today I'm going to be explaining how you can start selling course online. And this is a strategy that will not only help you to make a lot of money, but it will also help you to impact a lot of life. So guys, think about that. Think about the number of lives you are going to be impacting by sharing the certain knowledge you know. And guys, this strategy will work even if you are a newbie into this space. You don't have to really be an experienced tutor in this space. You don't have to have any courses uploaded before. I'm going to be giving you a strategy that will work for you even if you are completely new to this space. So guys, stick with me to the very end of this video.
Some knowledge about the subject is simply more than enough for them to learn. So you don't need to learn everything about the certain subject in order to be teaching. You just need to know more than the most.
In this video, I'm not going to be the only one that is going to be sharing the knowledge, but also I'm going to be including experienced tutor that have tried this out and made a lot of money from this. And if you have any problem with anything or any knowledge that is being shared in this video, drop it in the comment down below or message me with the links in the description below. I'll be there to help you in any way I can. And so guys, as you are proceeding along the video, the first question I want to answer is, why do you need to sell a course online, or why do you need to have a course online? And the answer to this question is going to be in a video I'm going to be showing you very soon.
How much value, if you ran into yourself of 5 or 10 years ago and you could spend a day with yourself, the 10-year younger version of yourself, how much knowledge could you give the 10-year younger version of yourself? And how much faster could you go? Think about that. You've accomplished so much. You've failed miserably at things. You've found breakthroughs. Imagine if you could tell your younger self, don't do this, do all this. Oh, don't do this. Don't partner with this person. Don't use this money. Oh, this is the way to get the money. This is the way to close the deal. This is the way to run the business. Imagine that value. Well, there's thousands and thousands of people there that need you to give them their guidance on what you know.
There's a lot of people ready to pay you for the knowledge you have and also invest in your experience, and that's one of the reasons why you have to create a course online. And secondly, it helps to boost promotions of services or products you are selling online. And let's assume you have a product or you have a service you are rendering online. Having a course to explain the product better or the service better will not only help increase the value of the product, but it will also help to increase the sales the product is generating.
If you have a blog, online course is a perfect monetization tool for you.
And so guys, the second question I'm going to be answering will be, what subject are you going to choose when you want to create your course? And the answer to this is going to be in a video that I'm also going to be showing you.
Teach the things that you are passionate about. A lot of people are asking me what they need to teach on Udemy, and the thing is that you can teach whatever you want, but the thing is that you need to be passionate about. If you like building a Rubik's Cube, create a course on how to create a Rubik's Cube or how to solve a Rubik's Cube or whatever you want. You can create a course about anything that you want, but being passionate about this is the must, and it's always visible by the students if you're passionate about this subject or not. So create the courses about the subjects that you're passionate about.
There you have it guys. The first option you have is to teach the subject you are passionate about, and secondly, I'll be giving you this as a bonus tip. I'll be giving you 5 ideas or 5 things you have to know when you are creating or choosing the subject you want. Now the first one will be help a lot of people to gain knowledge, because if you are not helping a lot of people gain knowledge, then there's a lot of people that is going to be hating on your course and dropping bad reviews. Now the second one will be help a lot of people get certified in the subject you are choosing, and this will help to boost their career opportunities. So this is one of the things you also have to put in consideration. The third one will be to help a lot of people continue or furthermore their education, and this is what a lot of people do on Udemy. You see a lot of people buying our course, or their aim is to continue or furthermore in their education so as to get more knowledge. Fourth one will be to help a lot of people boost their academic preparation, because a lot of people on Udemy, Skillshare, Coursera and the likes are buying courses to help boost their academic preparation concerning exams and the likes. Finally, you can create a course that will help a lot of people gain new skills. And
I'm going to give you 7 digital course ideas that can lead you to financial freedom. The first idea that you can create a digital course around is creative art. So what are some styles of creative art? Photography, graphics design, sewing or knitting, any kind of art, any kind of music. So those are some ideas there. The second idea that you could roll off of is anything to do with marketing. So this is a big world of which I'm involved in because my background is in marketing, and it's actually where I've gotten a lot of wins and accomplishments in my world. And so I love teaching marketing and the things that I'm doing in my business that are working really well. So things as far as marketing goes, anything to do with Instagram, maybe LinkedIn, maybe Facebook, Twitter, Facebook Lives, Instagram Lives, email marketing, social media posting, any of those things that you're good at could be a really good idea for a digital course. The third idea would be real estate or investing. So maybe you have some experience on Airbnb-ing your property out. You can give some good tips and strategy and help other people do the same and create a class around that. Maybe you have a really good experience with stocks or investing, and you could create a class or a digital course about that. The fourth idea would be anything to do with parenting. So, there's a lot of moms and dads out there that are probably good at something when it comes to parenting. So, for example, potty training, teaching your kid how to sleep throughout the entire night, meal planning for kids, creating awesome, fun kid activities, maybe party planning. The fifth type of idea is anything to do with fitness, yoga, martial arts, weight loss, dance. The sixth idea is anything to do with self-improvement or personal development. So for example, relationship building, anything to do with psychology, nutrition, and health. And the seventh idea is anything to do with productivity. And this could be personal productivity or anything to do with business productivity. So maybe you have a way to organize your office or use certain software or programs in your day-to-day, like smartphone apps or anything like that, to help you really maximize productivity in a certain area. All right, so there are 7 ideas and categories that you can stem from to create a profitable digital course that can lead you to financial freedom. Now, I want you to remember, it takes one course idea, just one idea to make an impact in other people's lives and your bank account.
Down to the top part of this video, and the third part I'm going to be answering the question how you are going to be creating the video courses. And also guys, I have a bonus pack for you guys. It's a software that I'm going to be explaining very well in the fourth part of this lecture. And this software helps you to create done for you courses. That is, it has done for you courses already that you can upload and claim ownership of. Thereby you're going to be making the money personally. So this software help you with done for you courses. That's for people that are very shy of getting in front of the camera, and also people that are very good in staying in front of camera. This will have as a bonus and helps you in making more money, because you're not going to be doing any stress in editing, uploading, standing, taking and retaking. So I'm sure you guys understand that one. This will help you a lot. I'm going to be explaining what the software is about in the fourth lecture. And guys, to understand how you are going to be creating the video, I'm going to be showing you a video right now that explains this very well.
You've built an amazing online course, and now it's time to record it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the different options when debating whether you hire or whether you do it yourself. There are several things that you need to consider when deciding how to film your online course. And the first one, I hate to say it, but it's going to be budget. Filming online courses can get expensive very quickly because you're going to need lots of different video content, and that content might take a long time to record. If you have a program that is 6 modules and 4 lessons in each module, then it's going to be about 24 videos, and each video might vary in length from maybe say 5 minutes to 15 to 20 minutes. So start to genuinely think about, what does the end product of your course look like in terms of video? So there's really 2 different ways to go about filming your online course. One is more of a talking head video, which is similar to this, where your audience is actually seeing you talking to the camera. And the second one is more of a voiceover and slides presentation. More likely than not, if you have to hire a professional, filming your course content is going to become expensive very quickly. Now, that second model, you can 100% do it yourself. Create slide presentations and then record your voice using a Blue Yeti mic. This is a $100 microphone. You can buy it on Amazon. and just click through your slides and talk through and teach it that way. This is also proven to be a lot more engaging to your audience because they're able to learn by reading rather than having to watch you talk the whole time. What I would consider is, have you released this online course before? If not, is it worth spending a ton of money to record your talking head videos when you're likely going to have to iterate and change that program at a later date? If you are thinking that you will potentially need to change it, then I would highly recommend filming it with the slides and voiceover option. I created an online course too, actually, and even though I can personally do video and record myself for free, I still chose to do the slide and voiceover option because it's a lot easier. You can fly through a lot of videos really quickly. And if you need to change anything along the way, it's a lot easier to change than having to re-record the entire video. Now, on the other hand, if you've done this course a ton of times and you've figured out exactly what kind of content you need to teach, then doing a talking head video and spending a little bit extra money by hiring a videographer to help you record that might make sense for you. So those are the two things that I would consider when debating whether or not to hire someone or DIY it.
Finally guys, we are down to the fourth part of this video, and in this fourth part I'm going to be explaining more about the bonus software, and I'm also going to be explaining where you are going to host your courses, or where you are going to be posting your courses, and how you are going to be demanding for sales for your courses. And first of all, for the bonus software, the bonus software is like a platform where you can upload courses. Like I said in the previous video, it has done for you courses, and also it has free hosting, whereby unlike courses like unlike sites like Udemy, where courses are being uploaded and they collect some commissions. The other thing about these guys is that this software is going to be allowing you to get more sales by through affiliate commissions. That is, it allows you to upload your course and allows your students to help you to promote your course, and in turn generate more fee for them, or generate more money for them, and as well generate more money for you, because you are going to be reaching out to a lot of people, and people tend to trust more people that have tried something out than you advertising it as your own self. And guys, these are only some of the cool features that this software is going to be offering to you. So guys, click the link down below. I'll be showing you more or explaining into details more about the software, so you can click the link down below. And I'm going to be showing you a video now that talks more about hosting and what you also need to know about hosting. Then later on I'm going to be explaining more about the software.
The next thing I think you should know before you create your online course is that there are two different ways that you can host your course. And basically that means that there are two different ways that you can store the lessons of the course and allow your course students to access them. You can either self-host them, which means that they live on your website and students go to your website and you are managing the software and managing the students. Or you can host it on a full-feature third-party platform that will do a lot of the work for you. If you're self-hosting your course, then most likely you'll do it with a plugin on a WordPress website. The other option is to use a program like Teachable or Kajabi to host your course for you. Now, this can get a little bit confusing because it can seem very similar to the question of whether or not you're selling your course on your website or selling it on a public platform, but this is really a different issue because now we're talking about how your students are actually going to access the materials. So you could sell your course on your website and self-host your course, or you could promote your course on a public marketplace and have your students access it on the marketplace. Or you can do a combination of those things. In my case, at this point, I'm typically promoting my course, selling it on my own website, but then I host a lot of my courses on Teachable, which is a third-party platform. Now this allows me to charge a premium price for my course because I don't have a lot of competition on my own website, of course, but it also means that I get to take advantage of the ease of use that third-party host offers.
These are some other cool features that this software I've been telling you guys about us. The first one is that you need zero marketing experience, so you don't have to be an experienced marketer in order to use this software. The second one is that it guarantees you free hosting. Now under this, unlike Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare, where you have to pay them in order to use their platform to advertise your course, in this software you are not going to be paying anybody or sharing your income or profit with anybody. Now the third one is that it acts like a local SEO, whereby when people search on Google, Edge and the likes, it will show forth your course online, that it will post it out, it will bring it out online when people search for something relating to your course. Now the seventh one is like it's a beautiful mobile responsive site, and it's just like Udemy, Coursera and the likes. And the seventh one is that it has an affiliate system that helps to boosting your sales and also helps you to make a lot of profit from this. Now guys, if you have interest in this software or platform, please check the link in the description below. And also guys, like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also share this video to a lot of people that you know is going to gain value from this. And also guys, check any of the video that's going to be popping up now. And as I post things like this, I help people make a lot of money online. So guys, bye for now. I'll see you in the next video.